I'm Courtney, and welcome to Crafting with Counselors. Today we are going to show you how to make foam dough. This activity can be done inside or outside. All you're going to need for this activity today is foam shaving cream, cornstarch, a bowl, a spoon, some paper towels, as well as some food coloring, which is optional. So first we added our shaving cream. Now we're going to add cornstarch. For this activity, you do 1 part shaving cream to 1 part cornstarch. Next, what you're going to do is mix it all together. This part can be done with your hands or with a spoon. And this is when you can add food coloring for whatever color you're wanting. Today, we're going to make green. And then just mix. Once your dough reaches this consistency, this is when you can start to mold it and shape it and play with it. Now, I like my dough a little more foamy, but there are some other options which we will show you. Here we have the harder version of dough when you add more cornstarch. Then this is going to be a little bit more of our softer, flakier one, and then our more foam-like one, which we just made. With the firmer one, what you can do is get a cookie cutter and roll it out, and then use a cookie cutter and make your very own shapes. This time we made a cow. We'd love to see what your dough came out as. Please share your pictures to our Facebook page. If you enjoyed our segment today, please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today on Crafting with Counselors. Please join us next week on our next episode.